Hello viewers. A lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy tablets, but they don't know about the capability of those tablets. They mainly want to know about note taking, about the multimedia consumption, and also about the battery life. They don't actually want to multitask. They don't play games on their tablets. So their main focus will be reading, multitasking and note takings. So in this video I will talk about Samsung tablets. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, S9 FE or S9 FE Plus, all these features will be available on those tablets. These three tablets come with S Pen in the box, so you can do a lot of multimedia and creative tasks using your S Pen. There is the note taking experience I will show you, and there are many apps. You can see these apps and also you can add more apps here. Suppose I am adding here calendar, writing on calendar app. In this app you can use your S Pen and you can write on the calendar. Also you can add many more apps. You can see here. In this way you can add calendar and then you just have to press on the screen like this. Then whenever you click on calendar, you can write whatever you want to write. You can mark the dates and also you can add it to your calendar, and also you can add alarm to it. So this is a very good feature. Many users want to buy tablet for multimedia consumption. In these tabs also you can have great multimedia experience. So these tablets are not AMOLED tablets, yet you can experience a very good multimedia consumption. HDR content definitely look beautiful on this tablet. And if you buy S9 FE or S9 FE Plus, you will get LCD display. This is a TFT one. However, the color algorithm of Samsung is excellent. You can expect punchier color and also very vibrant and saturated color, so you will enjoy your multimedia consumption. Apart from that, the large display is an added bonus for multimedia consumption. HDR video can be used up to 1080p 60 fps, but if you play HDR 4K 60 fps videos, you can feel stutter and lag. I have tested this tablet with Amazon Prime also, and in Amazon Prime you can expect good amount of quality and the display color algorithm is excellent. Videos look gorgeous. You will enjoy playing 1080p videos on this tablet. As the display is very large, you will have a great experience while using it. Some users actually want to know about the note-taking experience on Samsung tablets. So let me give you an idea how you can take notes. In Samsung Notes, there are various options. You can adjust the pen size, also the color. Okay, all these things can be set. You can adjust the size of the pen and also you can adjust the color, the nib style. If you want to make a rectangular shape, you have to press and hold like this and it will create a rectangle shape. So these are some cool features that is available in Samsung Notes app. Actually in Android market, Samsung is the best tablet so far the S Pen capability and the functionality is concerned. You can do all these things in other tablets also, but it is not as smooth as Samsung. If you are liking this video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. At the time of writing, suppose you want to erase all the things, so you have to press and hold the button on the S Pen. In this way you can erase all the things written on your note app. There are other options where you can use, and you can in this way adjust the color and also the size of your S Pen. In this way you can erase. So there are many features in Samsung Notes app. I am not going by the detail of all. So if you want to see all the details, let me know in the comment sections below. I think Samsung tablet is best in the market when it comes to S Pen capability. Then in the other app, suppose you want to take some part of the screen and you want to write something, you have to select the area you want to take screenshot, and then you can write whatever you want to write. You can set the color and also the size. So in this way you can use your S Pen and also edit on the go the type of edit you want to do on your screenshot. In this way you can save also. Then there is another option of screen write. In this way it will take a screenshot, okay, and then you can write whatever you want to write on the screen, and also you can share this with your friends or with whatever you want to. These are some handy features for students. Whenever they are writing or reading something, they can instantly take note of that particular page and also write something or mark something with their S Pen. Also there is another app. The interface is like real exercise book. Here you can write whatever you want to, okay, and then also if you want to add page, you can do so by clicking on the plus button on the left side. In this way you can add page, and you can see that I have already added an extra page. So this is a very good option for students for taking notes. Then there is inbuilt translator in this tablet. You can translate anything. You just have to hover the S Pen over the text and it will automatically detect and translate it into the preferred language you have selected. So this is a very good features for students, especially for those who are weak in English and they want to know the meaning in their mother tongue. So these are some cool features that students might consider. Now talking about the battery life of these Samsung tablets, you will get excellent battery life with these tablets. You can expect an SOT of 10 hours plus. If you are a medium user, then your tablet will last for 3 days, but if you are a heavy user, in that case also 1.5 days will definitely give you enough juice. So what's your thought regarding these tablets, or did you buy any of Samsung tablets? Let me know in the comment sections below. If you want to know about the latest deals and crazy offers on Samsung tablets, subscribe the channel and stay connected. I will definitely give you the best deals in the upcoming sales. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.